Yeah. You're eating with your fork like a big boy. Pick it up. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it. Try it again. There you go. I think you got a piece. There you go. Yay! Num, num, num. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Oh, you didn't get nothing that time. So I'm still figuring this fork thing out. You're so silly. Gotta stab it. No, nothing on there, silly. If I forget this fork, I'm just gonna pick it up. Well, alright. Well, alright. That works too. That works too. Yeah, you're silly. Num, num, num. Here, let's try the scoop method. Want to try it that way? There we go. Whoop. There you go. Oh, that's a big bite. Yeah, that was a big bite, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Can't get that side off. You're a mess. You sure are. Well, you'll get it figured out eventually, won't you? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Garrick. Oh, wait, bye-bye. 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 No, don't want to? Okay. Well, bye-bye anyway.